Your bass is fighting the kick. Your mix sounds muddy. You tweak the compressor, nothing really works. What if the problem isn't the compressor at all? Hey producers, welcome back. Today I'm showing you a rack I built and use every single day. A tempo sync ducking rack based on CV Tools, CV Shaper, and Max 4 Live. No kick trigger, no compressor workarounds. Here's the rack in action. I built two versions. One for 100% ducking aggressive, perfect for bass against the kick, and one for 60% ducking, ideal for pads, reverb tails, or vocals. The CV Shaper directly controls the level knob of the utility device. You can see the curve live, and you can customize it. Stay with me, later I'll show you how to tweak the curve for different use cases. And there's a free download of the rack at the end. The classic problem, bass and kick, share the same frequency space. Standard sidechain compressors need a trigger, usually the kick. That means routing, sidechaining, setting attack, and release times. A lot of work. And the result is often too reactive or sounds pumpy. What I wanted: a tool that works deterministically. No audio reaction, but a defined curve that runs exactly in tempo. Let's look at the structure. Put a utility device on the channel. The core is the CV Shaper from CV Tools, a free Max 4 Live package. The CV Shaper creates an LFO-like curve, but fully customizable. Map the CV Shaper to the utility gain knob. No sine, no triangle. You draw the envelope yourself. Group the devices together. This curve is mapped to the level knob of the utility device. To keep the level consistent, the macro knob is also mapped to the offset. The utility sits on the target channel, your bass, pad, or reverb return. The curve runs synced to the song tempo, meaning 140 BPM in your project. The rack ducks at 140 BPM. The Sidechain Shaper tool is now ready. Variant 1, 100% ducking curve, goes all the way to 0. The bass briefly silences on every beat. Perfect for techno, house, trance, drum, and bass. Variant 2, 60% ducking curve, only reduces to 60% of original level, much more subtle. Pads and reverb tails breathe with the groove without cutting abruptly. Ideal for ambient and lo-fi productions. One knob macro. The entire rack is mapped to one macro knob. Turn it to set the ducking intensity, 0 to maximum. Curve customization. Open the CV Shaper and see the curve directly. Drag points, change the shape. Faster attack, pull the first point steeper. Longer release, flatter curve at the end. Way more intuitive than attack or release knobs on a compressor. Visualization. I recommend an oscillator with sidechain function on the bass. You'll see the bass level dipping in real time. Additional use cases. Synth leads, making room for vocals. Delay returns, stepping aside after the beat. Sidechain simulation without a real kick. Ambient, experimental, intentional pumping as a groove effect. Listen to this. First without ducking. Now with 100% ducking on the bass. Do you hear the difference? The kick cuts through, the bass makes room, but it doesn't sound pumpy, it sounds tight. Now I'll show you the 60% mode. On a vocal track with a long reverb tail, this is the game changer for atmospheric productions and pads. You can download the racks for free. Both versions, 100% and 60%, ready to drop into your project. Link is in the description. Quick pause. If this is useful, a like takes 2 seconds and helps the channel a lot. And drop a comment. What are you going to use this rack for? Bass, pads, vocals? I'd love to know what's in your project. If you're not subscribed yet, now's the time. Found your own use cases or have questions about the curve? Comments are open. I promise to read everything and reply as much as I can. That was the CV Shaper ducking rack, tempo synced, 2 strengths, 1 knob. Next video, reverb send racks. Definitely check it out. Until then, stay creative.